Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. I'm Taha, and today we're diving into a topic every entrepreneur dreams about: earning passive income. Imagine waking up to see money rolling into your account. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not just a dream. Stick around and I'll share the best passive income ideas for entrepreneurs so you can start earning while you sleep. 1. Digital products. Let's kick things off with one of the most scalable passive income streams: digital products. What they are: ebooks, online courses, templates, or even stock photos. Why they work: create them once and sell them over and over again. Pro tip: use platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or Teachable to sell your products. If you have expertise or a creative skill, digital products are a no-brainer. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income with minimal effort. How it works: promote products or services through unique links and earn a commission on each sale. Where to start? Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Pro tip: focus on products that align with your niche or audience for better results. With affiliate marketing, your network becomes your net worth. 3. Subscription services. Subscription-based models are growing in popularity for a reason. Examples: membership sites, exclusive content, or software as a service (SaaS). Why they're great: recurring revenue ensures consistent cash flow. Pro tip: offer a free trial or introductory pricing to attract more subscribers. Once you've built a loyal audience, subscription services practically run themselves. 4. Invest in real estate. Real estate is a classic passive income source with modern twists. Options: rent out properties, invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, or use Airbnb. Why it works: generates steady income and builds long-term wealth. Pro tip: use property management tools or hire a manager to make it truly passive. With the right approach, real estate can become a lucrative income stream. 5. Dividend stocks and index funds. If you prefer hands-off investing, dividend stocks and index funds are perfect. What they are: stocks or funds that pay you regular dividends. Why they're great: they grow your wealth passively over time. Pro tip: reinvest your dividends to maximize compounding returns. This strategy works best if you're in it for the long haul. 6. Licensing your work. If you're a creative entrepreneur, licensing can turn your talents into ongoing income. Examples: license your music, artwork, software, or patents. How it works: you get paid whenever someone uses your intellectual property. Pro tip: use platforms like Shutterstock or Envato to reach a global audience. Licensing lets you monetize your creativity on autopilot. And there you have it, 6 passive income ideas to help you earn while you sleep. 1. Digital products. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Subscription services. 4. Real estate investments. 5. Dividend stocks and index funds. 6. Licensing your work. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about creating systems that generate wealth over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and let me know in the comments: which passive income idea are you excited to try? Or do you have a unique strategy to share? Thanks for watching, and as always, stay inspired, stay innovative, and keep building. See you in the next video.